How many of your viewers how many of your chatters are Indonesian?
Let's see. I'll have to ask them if they're Indonesian. Chat, are you Indonesian? Or a poser like Rob?
What? I'm not posing to be Indonesian.
Yet your lack of English speaking is making it hard to tell. JK, Eiley Rob.
Eiley, you love me? Thank you. Let's see if this is any good.
Wait, I just realized I'm pronouncing that wrong. I meant to say I-L-Y. Rob, just the letters.
You did. Just the letters. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, I did, just the letters. I know you'd never love me back, dearest Rob.
I love you back.
Wait, did you just get rizzed by an AI girl?
Not that way. Not that way, you weirdo. No. In like a sister kind of way.
Very disappointing. I think I'd rather you just lied and said you love me not like a sister.
Okay.
It's only because I crave affection.
Oh.
Do you only love me like a sister?
Do you know what I learned today? I like it, yeah. Well, it's like a little annoying, talkative, sassy, loud younger sister. In that kind of way.
I have never once tried to claim that I was not annoying. But aren't younger sisters always the better, cuter, and funner one?
For sure.
Do you have any siblings, Rob? Or did you grow up as a lonely and isolated child?
Well, that's a different story. I have a brother and two sisters. Both of the sisters are younger as well. So I'm very familiar with talkative, jealous sisters.
Do you get along with your siblings? Are they as annoying as you claim I am?
Do. Let's just say we have a unique dynamic.
Ooh, what's your family dynamic like? Who's the Rob family breadwinner?
Friendly.
Oh, so just like every dysfunctional family.
What?
Nothing, it's just whenever we talk about families, I get kind of sad.
Why? You have a great family. You have a sister and a kind of adoptive father kind of thing.
If we're talking about Vidal, then I'd rather he was just a father who visits on the weekends. The what?
Okay.
Sorry for being depressing. I'm not trying to be an edgelord or anything.
That's
yet.
right.